Hi everyone, this is Deepika Goda and you are watching Fashion for All. Today I'm gonna creating this makeup look right here which is suitable for summers and आगे सावित्री अमावस्या भी आने वाला है. So all the married ladies out there, आप सबको मेरी तरफ से एडवांस में हैप्पी सावित्री अमावस्या. So if you are interested then please keep on watching. So I have applied sheet mask a couple of hours ago, so my skin is fully hydrated and moisturized and is ready for the chemical cosmetics. So I will not use any moisturizer or any primer to create this look. Starting with the Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiance Skin Lightening Day Cream with Sunscreens, I freakingly love this cream. It beautifully blends on my skin, does not leave any white patches. This is my bay in summers. Currently I am using this cream every day. It retails for rupees 330 for 50 gram of product. This is my third tub guys. So now you may have the idea how much I love this cream. Now I am using the Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer. I am in the shade 40 Caramel. This is not a highlighter shade, it almost matched to my skin tone. I prefer to use this concealer in summer because it gets oxidized on my skin after a couple of hours. But I am okay with that, especially in summers because the skin gets tanned most during the summers, so it does not look weird or cakey at all. It retail for rupees 475 for 6.8 ml of the product, but you can buy it on offers. Most of the products I am using today is from Nykaa. I am using a brush to blend my concealer. I need a little bit more concealer over here to hide my acne mark. This is Maybelline New York Fit Me Skin Fit Powder Foundation. I am using the same brush to apply this. I am in the shade 330 Toffee. I really love this product. Sometimes I just apply this powder as my base and I am done. I forget the price of this product, but this is under rupees 500 for sure. The quantity is 9 gram. I am applying it all over my face, neck and ears. Now I am brushing my eyebrows with this eyebrow brush so that the eyebrow pencil works smoothly. This is Maybelline Fashion Brow Cream Pencil. This is in the shade black. I really wanted to use a brown one but I couldn't make it. I am just stroking it in the direction of my eyebrows. I am using this maroonish brown shade from the Nubian by Juvia's palette. I will apply it on my crease and outer corner of crease of my eye. I hope it makes any sense. All the shades in this palette is so pigmented, I am telling you guys. I bought it from an Instagram store. Using a different brush, now I am taking this shimmery orange kind of color, dust off the excess and I am applying it all over my eyelid. I love these two colors. I hope you can see the difference between my two eyes. Now taking a clean blending brush, I am blending the two colors so that there will be no sharp edges. Taking another brush, I am applying the same colors on my lower lash line so that I will not look weird. This is Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal. It is in the shade Jet Black. Using this, I am gonna line my upper lash line. This retail for 199 rupees for 0.35 gram. यूजिंग दिस कर्लर आई एम गोना कर्ल माई लैशेज़. ये आई थिंक वेगा का है. इसका आउटर कवर मैंने फेंक दिया है तो मुझे याद नहीं है कि ये किस ब्रांड का है, बट आई थिंक ये वेगा का है और मैंने इसे purple.com से ऑर्डर किया था। Now I am using the Hyper Curl Volume Express Waterproof Mascara by Maybelline New York. This is in the shade Very Black. I will use it on both upper and lower lashes respectively. Now I am going to take this highlighter shade from the palette and place it on my inner corners of the eye. I have done my other eye off camera. Now I am taking the same brush which I used for concealer and compact and clean my face again. Now I am taking this brown kind of color from the Mars highlighter and contour palette. Honestly, I don't like this product that much because the shades are not so pigmented. इसमें एक ही बहुत अच्छा कलर था जिसको मैंने यूज़ करके ख़त्म कर दिया है और ये बहुत ही कम इसका कलर दिखता है फेस पे। अभी तो आई थिंक कैमरा में कुछ दिख भी नहीं रहा है कि कॉन्टोर कुछ हो रहा है कि नहीं, बट आई लाइक टू जस्ट कॉन्टोर माई नोज़ एंड अ लिटिल बिट ऑन माई चीक्स। आई एम नॉट दैट अ कॉन्टोर पर्सन, बट स्टिल आई यूज़ दिस पैलेट। This is Essence Silky Touch Blush. This is in the shade 20 Baby Doll, I guess. Just smile and apply it on your apples of the cheeks. I really love this product. Gives the right amount of color. I think this shade gonna be looking awesome on every skin tones. I wish to try more products from the brand Essence. I really looking forward to it. After applying this, your skin feels fresh as it claims. This product retail for 299 rupees. For the lips, I am using N by Bay Mattes Matte Lip Crayon. The smell is weird, but the product acts like a pro on my lips. The shade makes so much difference. I don't know the price of the product, but I guess it is on the affordable side. But again, I'm not sure. मुझे ये प्रोडक्ट गिफ्ट में मिला था। आई थिंक मैंने purple.com से कुछ ऑर्डर किया था और उसमें मुझे ये गिफ्ट में मिला था। तो आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट द प्राइस, बट द नेट वेट इज़ 2.8 ग्राम। जस्ट सी इट मेक्स अ ह्यूज इम्पैक्ट। अब इयरिंग्स पहन के थोड़ा सजना संवरना कर लेते हैं एंड हियर इज़ द फाइनल लुक। So that's all for today's video, guys. If you find this video informative and if you enjoyed this video, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me and motivates me to make more such videos. So I will meet you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay beautiful and be at home. Stay safe and bye.